Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So let's just say that you got a new air fryer. Maybe a Nuwave Brio 10-quart air fryer, or any type of air fryer for that matter. And you want to know how you can have an air fryer dessert, specifically, Babe,
donuts.
Donuts. Air fryer donuts, or maybe air fryer donut holes. We're gonna show you in this video a quick and easy way how to use your air fryer to make an awesome dessert, great to make with the kids, great for a little party. Air fryer donuts and air fryer donut holes coming up.
Yummy.
Are you ready, babe?
Yeah, I tried to get a donut in the store and he was like, no.
No, we're making donuts at home.
Donut.
Here we go. And here we go. Okay, babe, well, you're getting out all the ingredients. Let's just cheat real fast. We're gonna show you a quick picture of the finished product right now. Check this out. All right, now you saw what the finished product looks like. This is how we're gonna make it.
Okay, babe. Here's what you're gonna need. Ground cinnamon, any kind. Granulated sugar, any kind. We like the flaky layer biscuit, the grains. I did a half a stick of butter because that's probably what we'll need for 8 biscuits. And a spoon and a bowl to mix your sugar. And an air fryer. It's as easy as that. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Babe, if you have a donut cutter, you can use it to cut the middle out. I don't have one. A shot glass seemed to be too big, so I'm just actually gonna cut it out. And that's where I'm gonna get my donut hole from. Okay, there's your donut. We can kind of reform it. It looks about the right size. Here's my donut hole. Just like that. And there you go. And we're gonna do that with all 8 of them. So I'm gonna use the coconut spray. So that's what we use, and I'm just gonna spray the grate down. Coconut oil gets clogged really easy. All right, so we got that. So we wanna put them where they can expand enough, where they're not gonna touch each other or the sides. So you can do about 4 at a time in the 10-quart. Okay, that looks good. Top, put a little on top there. Okay, we're gonna close it up. I'm not preheating it. Turn it on. Temperature is gonna be 350. We're gonna do 3 minutes on each side to start. And here we go. First side is done. So let's open it up and see how, ooh, it's starting to look good. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it over. It's looking good.
So that was 3 minutes.
That was 3, and let's go 4 minutes on the other side.
And we should be about done.
We should be done. They're looking good.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay, so during our last minutes while this is cooking, I'm gonna mix up the cinnamon and sugar and melt the butter. So for 8 donuts and 4 donut holes we combined, and to make a little bit bigger, I'm gonna do like a 1/4 cup of each because you don't need a whole lot. Maybe even a little less, like a 1/3. Cinnamon. I do a little more sugar than the cinnamon, so maybe a full 1/4. Let's mix it up. Oh yeah, babe. Okay, and then I'm gonna melt my half a stick of butter for about 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, we tasted it and it was a little heavy on the cinnamon, so I'm adding a little more to make it about a half a cup of cinnamon, or a half a cup of sugar to like a 1/3 cup of cinnamon. Okay, as you can see, they're nice and brown on both sides. They look perfect. Let's pull them out. We wanna take our butter that melted And we're gonna put it on here as the binding for the cinnamon and sugar. Let's do both sides. You don't want too much sugar. You know, let's just dip it in there and see. Like this.
That's a heavy coating. You could obviously do less if you don't want it that heavy. Maybe we should do too heavy, too light.
Okay, you can also do it this way.
So I like mine a little lighter.
Okay.
Like that. Alright guys, so you could obviously throw in a little Haagen-Dazs ice cream with your donuts if you're feeling extra healthy, but we're gonna try it. Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna try my
You're gonna try your heavy cinnamon one. I'm gonna try the light one.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty scrumptious.
I told you.
Wow. With the butter, holy moly.
Yummy, huh?
That is super good.
Yep. Yummy.
Try this. Wow,
Perfect.
3 minutes and 4 minutes. 350 off, 7 minutes. Wow.
Perfect. But you gotta eat them warm.
Air fryer donuts, you gotta eat them warm. You can taste the warm butter in them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching our channel. We appreciate all the support. Little hobby of ours. If you haven't hit the little subscribe button below and the bell next to it, obviously we love you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Oh, it's scrumptious. All right. See you guys later.